Namaskar and welcome back to your advanced commodity analysis platform, Ajayasthomani Guru. I am Ria, and today the focus is squarely on the Gwar complex, which is showing not just strength but an aggressive shift in market positioning. Garseed and Galgam futures have surged, powered by a critical dynamic of active physical buying and strategic movements by institutional traders. This is the complete breakdown of Wednesday, 12th November 2025. The ground reality: strength in the spot mandis. The underlying market provided solid support for the futures rally as Garseed prices traded notably firm across major mandis, fueled by strong, active purchasing. Looking at Rajasthan, we observed generally upward but diverse price movements. Bikaner, Hanumangarh, and Sandriya all notched gains in the range of 40 rupee to 70 rupee per quintal. However, defying the bullish wave, a sharp deviation was noted in Mirda, which recorded a fall of 150 rupees. Moving to the western belt, Gujarat saw marginal increases, with Gondal and Rajkot rising by 26 rupees each, while Dhanera faced a small dip of 10 rupees. Crucially, the most significant single-day jump came from Haryana, where the Adampur Mandi posted a remarkable gain of 88 rupee per quintal. Garseed futures, short covering fuels near-term, fresh longs dominate December. The November 2025 Garseed contract closed higher by 38 rupees, settling at 4,637 rupee per quintal. The December 2025 contract also added 36 rupees, closing at 4,731 rupees. Here is the key insight for traders: open interest for the November contract decreased by 2,020 lots. This is a clear technical signal of short covering, meaning traders with bearish positions are rapidly closing them out as the contract nears expiry. Simultaneously, the December contract's OI increased sharply by 2,425 lots. This substantial rise confirms that fresh long positions are being aggressively built by the market. Galgam futures, the price leader. Galgam futures not only extended their gains but did so with greater intensity. The November 2025 contract surged by a powerful 113 rupees, closing at 8,485 rupee per quintal. The December 2025 contract followed closely, jumping 120 rupee to settle at 8,593 rupee per quintal. This strong upward pressure confirms a potent mix of both short-term traders covering their previous bearish positions and new buying momentum aggressively entering the next month series. We are entering a crucial phase where the overall strength is being tested. The increase in open interest in the next month contracts, particularly in Garseed. The big question, however, remains: a substantial move is highly anticipated in both Garseed and Galgam in the coming month. Will that move be bullish or bearish? Technical indicators are giving strong hints, but the final direction needs advanced, detailed analysis to capture the full picture and manage risk effectively. For this crucial advanced analysis and precise trading levels, contact us immediately. Our contact number is available on your screen and in the video description. That wraps up our detailed analysis. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Ajayasthomani Guru for your daily dose of advanced commodity market insights.
सोनाक्षी की रसोई में आज की स्पेशल गेस्ट है मौसमी चैटर्जी जी।
ये जी नहीं, मौसमी आंटी।
ओके आंटी मौसमी, तो आज आप क्या बनाएंगी?
मैं क्यों बनाऊं? मैं तो गेस्ट हूँ, आप बनाओ, हम खाएंगे। एक्टिंग में तो हिट हो, अब खाना बनाओ सुपर हिट।
ठाट से बनाऊंगी खाना, है ना द बेस्ट एवरीडे मसाला। आओ बनाते हैं मसालेदार छोले।
छोले
हर रोज के करी में एवरीडे मसाले, शाही बिरयानी में स्वाद का जायका।
पटल पोस्तो और सर्षे इलिश भापा। साफ मसाले, खुशबू और प्योर झांझ, टेस्ट से भर दे हर जुबान पे स्वाद।
एवरीडे मसाले, देश का स्वाद।